Where did Gandhi announce a no-tax campaign in February 1922? A. Bardoli. B. Bombay. C. Delhi. D. Chauri Chaura. The correct answer is A. Bardoli. What were the collected conch shells crafted into by artisans? A. Figurines. B. Bangles. C. Ornaments. D. Necklaces. The correct answer is B. Bangles. What was the economic condition of the peasants during the Sag period? A. They suffered grinding poverty. B. They experienced great prosperity. C. They enjoyed moderate comfort. D. They were able to climb the social ladder. The correct answer is A. They suffered grinding poverty. How many jitas were equivalent to a unit of currency? A. 36. B. 8. C. 12. D. 48. The correct answer is D. 48. What was the overall literacy rate in India in 2019 to 21? A. 27.2%. B. 8.9%. C. 71.5%. D. 84.4%. The correct answer is D. 84.4%. Which profession was not listed among those typically held by individuals forming political outfits? A. Farmers. B. Teachers. C. Lawyers. D. Journalists. The correct answer is A. Farmers. What day was observed on 8th January 1933? A. Independence Day. B. Quit India Movement Anniversary. C. Forest Conservation Day. D. A specific unnamed day. The correct answer is D. A specific unnamed day. When was the Madras Labour Union formed? A. 1919. Born in 1920. Circa 1918. D. 1917. The correct answer is circa 1918. What did the Mauryan state organize to support agriculture? A. Artisan workshops. B. Maritime expeditions. C. Trade guilds. D. Irrigation projects. The correct answer is D. Irrigation projects. What type of people were Tamil traders and sailors? A. Mountain dwellers. B. Seafaring people. C. Nomadic hunters. D. Landlocked people. The correct answer is B. Seafaring people. What is pastoral land used for? A. Farming crops. B. Mining minerals. C. Grazing cattle. D. Building houses. The correct answer is C. Grazing cattle. In what year was the Panipat battle fought? A. 1517. Born in 1451. Circa 1526. D. 1414. The correct answer is circa 1526. Where is the Ashmolean Museum located? A. Rome. B. Mesopotamia. C. Oxford. D. London. The correct answer is C. Oxford. What was the name of the battle in which Prithviraj Chauhan first defeated Muhammad? A. Battle of Multan. B. Battle of Lahore. C. First Battle of Tarain. D. Battle of Peshawar. The correct answer is C. First Battle of Tarain. How was punishment generally described? A. Fair. B. Moderate. C. Lenient. D. Severe. The correct answer is D. Severe. What was the extent of German control in mainland Europe by 1941? A. Up to the Spanish border. B. Up to the British Isles. C. Up to the Russian frontier. D. Up to the Italian Alps. The correct answer is C. Up to the Russian frontier. Where was the All India Communist Conference held in 1925? A. Kanpur. B. Kolkata. C. Delhi. D. Mumbai. The correct answer is A. Kanpur. What significant event is mentioned in the history of India as the First Carnatic War? B. The Revolt of 1857. C. The Sepoy Mutiny of 1806. D. The Battle of Plassey. The correct answer is B. The Revolt of 1857. What was a significant social consequence of the described conditions among a large number of people? A. They became professional beggars. B. They migrated to other countries. C. They joined the army. D. They became landlords. The correct answer is A. They became professional beggars. Where were the official transactions of Europeans in India recorded? A. In private diaries. B. On palm leaves. C. On state papers. D. On stone tablets. The correct answer is C. On state papers. Which subject was not listed as one that Confucius studied? A. Philosophy. B. Poetry. C. Mathematics. D. History. The correct answer is C. Mathematics. Who was Princess Enigaldi's father? A. King Sargon. B. King Nabonidus. C. King Hammurabi. D. King Nebuchadnezzar. The correct answer is B. King Nabonidus. What was a world-famous vihara mentioned in the text? A. Vallabhi. B. Vikramshila. C. Taxila. D. Nalanda. The correct answer is D. Nalanda. Who was the first woman to pay a penalty for violating salt laws? A. Mil Lakshmipti. B. Rukmani Lakshmipti. C. Rukmani Devi. D. Rajaji. The correct answer is B. Rukmani Lakshmipti. Who was responsible for collecting fixed taxes directly from the peasants under the British system? A. The British government. B. Zamindars. C. The company. D. Thomas Munro. The correct answer is A. The British government. The monolithic iron pillar of Chandragupta is found at which location? A. Bhitri. B. Mahrauli. C. Mathura. D. Gadhwa. The correct answer is B. Mahrauli. What term describes the alchemical process of separating substances by heating? A. Sublimation. B. Filtration. C. Distillation. D. Crystallization. The correct answer is C. Distillation. What agricultural system did the Harappans adopt? A. Single cropping system. B. Double cropping system. C. Triple cropping system. D. Rotational cropping system. The correct answer is B. Double cropping system. What is the estimated early date for the existence of Neolithic culture in Mehragarh based on archaeological evidence? A. 7000 BC. Born in 8000 BC. Circa 6000 BC. D. 5000 BC. The correct answer is A. 7000 BC. What time period does the Bronze Age Harappan civilization correspond to? A. 3300 BC to 1900 BC. Born in 1900 AD to 3300 AD. Circa 3300 AD to 1900 AD. D. 1900 BC to 3300 BC. The correct answer is A. 3300 BC to 1900 BC. How did you score?